The Living Accents Gazebo was sold at Ace Hardware. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number SJ2013-01. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 10 by 10, single-tiered with a pyramid-shaped roof structure. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are round frame posts, design around the top perimeter of the frame. The canopy attaches to the gazebo by corner and side pockets. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Living Accents Gazebo, whose canopy measures 129 inches by 129 inches or less. Please measure your frame before purchasing. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have DuraPocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.